Good morning, my dear students. My name is Dr. Olutayo Ajayi. I am the coordinator of your instructors in this training program. I want to welcome all of you to this virtual ICT Rec Freshers Training Classroom. You could only be here because you have retrieved your institutional email account. This is a very important process and a key factor to your subsequent participation in this virtual online classroom. I want to say a big congratulations to each and every one of you. In addition to welcoming you to this training, I would like to give you some helpful information and a few hints for successful completion of this training program. For many of you, this is your first experience with a virtual learning environment. Virtual learning environment provides different ways to study, and this plays different skills from students. You will find out that as an online learner, you are self-motivated, and what is key is discipline, because discipline is paramount. This means that you are completely responsible for your establishing and maintaining a regular study pattern or system. As you have noticed on your online platform, the Federal University of Agriculture Abeokuta FUNAB opted for Google Classroom as our virtual learning platform. The virtual learning platform team, I can assure you, will provide every necessary support during this training program, and you should be aware again of self-discipline that is required to successfully complete this training program. The objective of this program is to reserve it for fresh university students, most especially our students for now. We are also looking forward that you gain experience in the workflow of the university, and this will also develop you and develop your skills in information technology. Let me quickly give you a brief on those courses that you are expecting in this training program. In the first training program on the portal services, at the end of this module, we expect our students to be able to fill correctly all forms online, acceptance form and other forms like counseling forms. You should be able to fill and print such forms. You should be able to successfully log in your credentials into our university portal. You should be able to generate invoices and pay school fees, print receipts, make applications for available limited hostels, and the rest. The cyber citizenship and security module will expect the students to be able to appreciate how to keep their identity, how to protect it. Again, it will also show them how to readily recover their lost email accounts or passwords, and they will also be enlightened on how to be safe, how to be responsible, how to be informed, how to be healthy on all these cyber crimes. The other course, which is information sourcing, is expected that students should be able to search academic materials using search engines, YouTube, to be able to be aware of applications of academic for live excellence. And we will also introduce you to a tool called Web 2.0 that is used for collaboration in academic purposes. For the last course, which is collaboration for academic excellence, students will also be introduced to using various technological tools and applications that will allow them to leverage on academic excellence. There will be new creative methods of learning through collaborations. You'll be able to set up all these collaborative platforms. You'll be able to use different online applications for group activities. And the last but not the least, which is the virtual one that you are doing right now, we will also introduce you to how to use this platform for your subsequent lectures. The modules that we have designed, we've designed in various using about 4 components. We have one of the components is attendance. You have to show whether you are in the class or not. Again, there will be main content as part of the module that will comprise the video presentation, the PowerPoint slides, the PDF. We also link you with external resources, external materials that you can make up and add to what you have learned so far. Then there will be assessment because we need to test you whether you are actually following the class. Now, in the course of this training, some of you may have reason to call for assistance. We have designed a web page that will allow you to ask questions, to request for any help or assistance. And that address is helpdesk.unap.edu.ng. Let me say it again, helpdesk.unap.edu.ng. For us to complete this course, there will be an evaluation or survey form that is expected that all of you will fill, and that form will be used for performance evaluation at the end of the program. Let me close at this point. It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure being with you all today, and I want to thank you for your patience. I wish you a very good academic session in the university. It has been a rare honor to be one of the facilitators and to be able to present my address before you all. I want to appreciate you for what you have done so far, and I say a big thank you.